think we should get a new home entertainment system.
What's wrong with the one we have?
It's a little out of date. We should get a flat screen TV.
Maybe you're right. Let's see what they have online.
Remember when we got that stereo system online? Teamwork makes the dream work! Yeah!
I can't believe we installed this stereo all ourselves.
Let's give it a try!
Do it, plug it in. Oh no, not again.
I don't want to go through that again.
What other choice do we have?
Flanners has been providing the Milwaukee area with home entertainment service since 1891. We offer quality work and quality products for your connected home. Our on-premise team of pro-certified installation experts will help transform your home or office into the smart space that meets your individual needs. With technological solutions and unmatched service, upgrading your space has never been simpler. Thank you for choosing Flanners.
Thanks to Flanners, we have a whole new entertainment system.
And we didn't have to lift a finger.